Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Session and you are watching Ira's World. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get iOS 14 like calling feature in your iPhone, which is running on iOS 12, iOS 13 or iOS 11. So make sure you guys watch this video till very end. You can see this is the iOS 14 calling feature, then how you can get the small call bar in your iPhone, that you are using any application that you will not be disturbed by this full calling screen. Okay guys, so I will show you in this I will show you by doing in iPhone 5s. Okay guys, this method is also working in iPhone 6 also, 6 plus also. Okay guys, so firstly in this method you need your iPhone jailbroken. If you don't know how you can jailbreak your iPhone, just go to the description box. Video link will be available in the description. Just go and check out that video. Okay guys, it's very simple to jailbreak your iPhone. So as guys you can see here, this is my iPhone 5s and this is the iPhone 6s and this is currently running on iOS 14. So let me show you the calling bar of iOS 14. So as guys you can see here, this is the iPhone 5s. I will make phone call from this phone to this phone and you will see the calling feature, the calling bar of iPhone iOS 14. So you can decline calls, you can accept calls from here, and guys you can also just expand it by tapping on this one and it will be expanded to this one. Okay guys, so I hope you will like. So let's start without any further delay. Let's proceed to the video. So as guys you can see here, this is iPhone 5s as I already show you, and again as I already show you that you need your iPhone jailbroken. After jailbreaking your iPhone, open Cydia application and turn on your internet connection. So just hold on, Cydia is asking for mobile data. Let me connect to my mobile data. So as guys you can see here, my Wi-Fi is successfully connected and now I will just go back to the Cydia and Cydia will load in few minutes. Just hold on. And after this you go to the search bar and we need to search for just guys tweak name and repo name will be available in description if you didn't find anything. Okay guys, just you need to search for call bar XS. Okay guys, so I have typed it wrong. Just you need to type it call bar XS and you can see you can just install RUS and iOS 12 or 13. Any of the tweak which is ported to your iPhone and do not making crashes in your iPhone, you can install. Okay guys, so as you can see I have already checked in call bar XS and this is from Big Boss Tweaks. So I will click on install button and after installing just hold on, let me click on confirm button. Just hold on guys. As you can see it's showing reloading data, so just hold on. We need to press on restart Springboard. We need to click on that button. Just hold on, it's showing reloading data. You can see here restart Springboard. So just hold on, my iPhone will take a while to just turn on again. So guys you can see here my iPhone just turns on or wakes up. And guys you can see here I'm using iPhone 11, iPhone 12 or I can say iPhone X like gestures features in my iPhone 5s. If you want to install this feature, you can just go to the video link. I have given the link in the description. Just you can go and watch that video. Link will be available in description as usual. You can see there is a pop-up that call bar XS. Thank you for downloading call bar XS. Please go to the settings and activate your license. We need to click on settings button and after this hold on. As guys you can see here there is a call bar XS. Just click on this one and it will show you this screen and it shows enabled. So just hold on guys, we need to go back and I will make phone call from this phone to this phone and you will get the iOS 14 like calling feature in this iPhone 5s. Okay guys, so just hold on, let me open any of the application, for example settings that I'm using my phone, and guys you can see here this is the calling screen of iOS 14 and you can see here if I go back to the home screen it will reach to top. As you can see you can accept your call from here and you can decline your calls, and contact photo is also showing here. Okay guys, so you can accept or decline calls from here. So this is the trick. I hope you like this video. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.